This new Tropic brand was struggling with a conversion rate of just 2.5%. After working with us, they hit over 4 and scaled way past $100,000 a month in revenue. Here's exactly how we did this. Quick disclaimer, there's not like a one thing that changed everything type of thing. Successfully scaling a brand requires improving many variables like creatives, retention, smooth operations. This video is just about one of the main variables that most brand operators neglect, which is the page itself. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how you can replicate this success for your brand with better landing pages, so stick around. Ramp Health is a DTC nootropics brand helping people beat social anxiety and staying sharp, but their original Shopify site wasn't pulling its weight. The page structure was off, the messaging was unclear and weak, and conversion rates were flatlining. And this ultimately makes it hard to convert cold, broad traffic on Meta. Here's what wasn't working for Ramp's original site. It was the high bounce rates, low engagement, bland messaging, weak product pages, no emotional connection with visitors, all this contributing to low conversion rates and low AOV and harder to scale on Meta. All right, so now let's talk about the exact strategy that we used to increase the conversion rate from a 2.5% to all the way to 4.1 and help them scale past 6 figures per month in revenue. The first thing we did was rebuild the homepage from scratch. So the old homepage was scattered and generic. So what we did was rebuild the structure with better hierarchy and messaging that clearly communicated the benefits of the hero product. Here are the key fixes that we made: solidified layout, clear benefit-driven copy, mobile-first design, and better visual storytelling using more branded elements. The second thing we did was redesign the product page for better conversions. The old product page lacked the basics: trust, value stacking, and social proof. So what we did was we added pre-purchase information, testimonials, UGC, and made the buy box bold and the overall process frictionless. The third main thing was just cleaning up the overall brand's communication. So even though Ramp was going through a rebrand separately, we still made sure that the site told a clean emotional story, one that resonated with the people struggling with stress, burnout, and social anxiety. So building that bridge between what the target audience, the target demographic is looking for, their specific problems, and our specific solution for them. So within a few weeks of working together, Ramp Health had a new custom page that reflected the brand, improved overall hierarchy and clearer communication, proper frameworks, and a foundation to scale broad meta ads. And all of that led to conversion rate increase from about 2.51 to 4.12 conversion rate and helping them scale past that 6-figure per month mark. All right, so now you might be wondering, this is great for them, but how do I apply this for my own brand? And the good news is you don't need to hire a dev team or learn how to code or any of that. Here's exactly how you can build high converting landing pages just like this. The first thing is using Replo to build custom pages like this. Again, there's no code needed. All you're gonna do is go to your Shopify app store, install it inside your Shopify. It's free to start. Play around the templates that they have there. And we personally use Replo ourselves to build everything on Shopify: custom home pages, landing pages, advertorials, listicles, pre-sale pages, even product pages, without really touching a single line of code. All of this is drag and drop interface, copy and paste, optimized for mobile by default, and built to scale with meta ads. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. You can use my referral link, all good. And the second thing you can do today is start in Figma to map out your strategy visually. So before we personally build in Replo, we typically mock up and design it in Figma. That's where we map out structure, copy, section hierarchy, and visuals. So basically think of Figma as like the visual design strategy board, and then Replo as the Shopify building engine part of things. So we use Figma for the copywriting and all the designs, just really dial in what we're trying to build, and then we move into Replo to build the pages itself. So even if you're a founder with no design background, you can start with wireframe templates that we have available for free and tweak them to fit your brand. It's all drag and drop interface. It's really easy to use. So use those free resources that I have available. So whether you do it yourself with the Replo and Figma or want our team to do it for you, the path to $100,000 per month starts with better landing pages and even your product pages. So if you want a page like this, one that actually converts cold traffic into buyers, let's build together. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below where you can book a call with me. But other than that, click below to see more case studies or subscribe for more weekly breakdowns and just how to build better pages for your brand. So appreciate the time and see you in the next one.